Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody's having trouble with the align and distribution Docker. They've got, they asked me not to use their wordage. So I'm going to grab these four words and try to distribute them equally. So it should leave the top one and the bottom one where they're at. And if we go right here, it does that. And for the life of me, I couldn't figure out, and through various emails, he sent me a screenshot. And then I noticed right here, distribute to. So you need to turn this basically off where this is not highlighted. So that, I don't know, object spacing, but if you turn that off, and then when you select these four and you go right here, which is to me the best one that makes them equal, it does that correctly. Then I thought maybe get a little information about how you would do this. So let's take these four words or four lines, and let's put P and put it in the center of the page. Now I'm going to hold down the shift key and grab the rectangle and hit T. Now I'm going to grab the other line and hit P. And then I'm going to hold down the shift key and hit B. Now, let's say we want the wordage 1 inch from the edge of the page. So I've set my nudge factor on 1 inch. We want it 1 inch from the bottom of the page. We're going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. I'm just going to randomly move this one up and then hit P. So they're not justified, but if you use this one right here, which is, I think, different things do different ones, like that's directional from top. And since they're all caps, it's going to work. This is distribute vertically, and you can see it puts a line, but I always use this one right here that actually makes them the two lines. So if you ever have a problem lining something up and it has these numbers, it's going to do this and give you all kind. He tried everything back and forth, and see, that's why you would use this one anyway, because it's going to do that. But I don't even know what really that is. Object spacing, I guess you could space them 0.2 inches apart. Well, let's just change that. Let's change it to 0.5 and 0.5. I don't know how that would make any different. And then, yeah, so now they're a half an inch apart. Anyway, so I'm glad I finally, we figured it out kind of together. Anyway, hope that helps you someday maybe, and thank you for watching.